Before we begin, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. If something inside you feels heavy and unnoticed, stay with this prayer until the end. God, today I place myself before you exactly as I am. I do not hide my pain or disguise my weariness. You know every silent thought, every tear not shed, and every battle I fight in secret. I now surrender everything weighing on my heart and ask that your presence bring relief, care, and inner restoration. May this prayer be the beginning of a new start, filled with peace. Even when everything feels confusing, I trust that you are working in places I cannot see. My pain does not define my future, and my silence does not limit your power. I now receive your peace that surpasses human understanding. May every restless thought be calmed, every wounded emotion be touched, and every fear be replaced with living hope. I rest in the certainty that you care for me in every detail. I acknowledge, God, that many times I felt alone even while surrounded by people. There were days I smiled on the outside while my heart cried inside. Today, I choose not to carry this weight alone anymore. I give you every disappointment, every broken expectation, and every emotional wound. May your presence surround me now, bringing comfort, clarity, and the deep assurance that I was never abandoned by you. God, I accept that healing does not always happen immediately, but I trust that it begins when I place myself in your presence. Even without clear answers, I choose to remain. Even without full strength, I choose to trust. Visit now the areas of my heart I avoid touching. Bring light where there is confusion, and hope where discouragement lives. I believe you are restoring my soul from the inside out, in your perfect time. In this moment, I choose to release control and rest in your faithfulness. I do not need to understand everything to trust you. You know the path I cannot yet see and prepare answers before my questions arise. I receive renewed strength, a lighter mind, and a strengthened heart. May anxiety lose its place and peace grow within me. I move forward confident, knowing you guide every step with love. God, I declare that my story does not end in the pain I lived through. You are writing new chapters even while I still process old wounds. Nothing was in vain. Nothing escaped your sight. I now receive renewed hope, restored faith, and courage to keep moving forward. May my heart learn to trust again, my mind dare to dream again, and my soul find rest in the certainty that the best is still ahead. Even when the past tries to pull me backward, I choose to stay focused on what you are doing now. I am not defined by mistakes, losses, or difficult days. I am sustained by your grace and guided by your hand. May every guilt be silenced, every inner accusation be broken, and every painful memory lose its power. I move forward in faith, knowing you lead me with purpose. God, I embrace the process you are working within me. Even when I do not notice immediate changes, I trust that something deep is being transformed. My faith does not depend on visible signs, but on the certainty that you remain with me. May each day I feel stronger, more aware of your care, and more secure in your promises. I rest knowing I am being prepared to live better days ahead. I choose to trust, even when I still feel fragile inside. I do not need to be completely strong to be sustained by you. You meet me exactly where I am and walk with me step by step. May this trust grow quietly within my heart, bringing stability, strength, and peace. I release the fear of tomorrow and receive the security of knowing I am held in your faithful hands. God, I thank you, because even in the moments when I felt broken, you remained faithful. When my strength failed, your presence sustained me in silence. Today I acknowledge that I am still standing because I was kept by your hands. Nothing I lived through was greater than your care. I receive this gratitude as healing, this faith as strength, and this hope as a sign that I am still being guided by you. God, I now surrender everything that still tries to hurt me inside. The words that marked me, the situations left unresolved, and the memories that return without warning. I choose not to live bound to the past anymore. May your truth reorganize my thoughts, and your peace govern my emotions. I accept the process of daily healing, trusting that every step with you is a step toward inner freedom. I declare that my mind is being renewed and my heart strengthened. Even if the process is silent, I trust that you are aligning everything for my good. I no longer walk guided by pain, but by faith that grows day after day. May my emotions find balance, my thoughts find direction, and my soul find rest. I move forward with the certainty that I am being transformed by your hands. God, I choose to look ahead with confidence, even if the path is still being revealed little by little. I no longer walk guided by fear, but by the certainty that you go before me. Every step, every decision, and every silence are under your care. May my faith remain firm, my heart stay calm, and my hope stay alive. I rest knowing that I am safe, guided, and protected at all times. God, I finish this prayer with gratitude, knowing that something has already shifted within me. Even if I cannot yet see everything clearly, I trust that you continue to work. I receive your peace as covering, your presence as shelter, and your promise as direction. May my heart remain steady, my faith constant, and my hope active. I move forward confident, knowing I do not walk alone, and that I am being cared for in every detail. If this prayer spoke to you, don't leave yet. Declare your faith in the comments by writing, "I am blessed." Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us. New prayers like this are coming to strengthen your heart,